Hello everyone, the Victoria is here, and in this video I'm going to create a vector graphical painting. I guess it's not really the description, so a vector graphical version of this building because I think this looks nice. Here I overpainting these people because just to make sure the privacy stuff is okay. This street is kind of slopey, but I tried to make at least the roof supposed to be horizontal, I guess. And this terrace thing is more or less horizontal, so this is how it stands, and the road is sloping. And I'm not sure if I want to depict every single detail, so I'm going to leave out these things. I'm going to leave out this car and this lamp post, maybe these cables, not so sure. But I would like to capture as much detail as possible. So here I am in Inkscape, and let's grab the pen tool, and I am going to start to mark out this building as a whole, so that we have something to work with. I think I just want to cover these yellow parts. Let me just turn off the snapping. Oh, well, wait. Sorry, I think I might have made a mistake. Oh, yes, indeed. But I think I'm going to leave this in the video. I imported this image, which happens to be these dimensions, and somehow Inkscape enlarged it, and this is not at the zero coordinates. I guess the DPI setting was wrong, so now it's okay. Now I can start to work. I guess this is kind of like a mistake that is easy to be done. I'm not going to be too precise here because I am going to edit this later, but I want to cover all of these yellow parts, more or less, because the technique I would like to apply here is to like put in the mid-tones and then add the the highlights and the shadows. So let's just grab this, what is this called? This node tool in Inkscape, and let's join selected nodes. Here, let's go to view and display mode, outline. Unfortunately, in Inkscape, I couldn't find a way to not this one, this one. Couldn't find a way to I'm holding the shift key and then I can drag out a handle. So couldn't find a way to change the color of this outline, because sometimes it would be cool if it's weren't black, to be honest. Let's convert this node to something like that. Yeah, when one is zooming out, it's really hard to tell where something starts and where something ends. Uh, let's put it like so. I guess this would be fine. I want to make sure that all of the yellow and partially this light gray is covered. I took this photo of a nearby building. Yeah, I think this could work here. And let's put this like so. I would like to make sure that these details are working just fine. Let's put a bit of curve there. And I think I am going to just put this here. Like so. So this is the yellow parts. And I think I am going to start with the roof parts here. I think I'm going to leave well, this nearby building's roof, well, it might not be too logical if I were leave that one out. But let's focus on this building here. So let's grab the pen tool again, or more precisely, this is, yeah, this is the pen tool. Sorry, I kind of thought that I'm missing, mixing this up with the Illustrator's terminology, but not. So I think I am going to mark all of these like so. Yeah, this is the lamppost. Uh, okay, I'm going to correct this with the N. Or let's say, let's just do a Control Z. I do apologize, but I forgot to turn on my keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, so I think this is kind of the gray part. I th I think I am going to mark out the roof on top of these gutters, or however it's called. And yeah, like so, I think something like that. And let's prepare some shadows and highlights here. Let me just grab my tablet here. And I think, oh, let's just put it like this into this, and let's rename it roof. And I'm going to convert this path into a clipping path. So in this way, so let's grab this pencil tool here. It doesn't really matter if I am just marking outside of this area, because this is going to be clipped. So let's grab the pen tool again, because this is some kind of a darker tone here. And I think I should do another square or some rectangular shape to be brighter, and I think I should add a bit of darkness here, and there are some darkness here as well. Or let me just think this over, because I don't really want to make it too detailed, but I want to make it sure that it is like detailed enough. So I think I am going to just add here these darker parts, and yeah, I think I might need some darker parts here as well. This is the lamppost, yes. And let's continue this with the pencil tool. It's kind of cool that you can really switch tools while drawing. I kind of like this shape here. And let's grab this. Oh, sorry. I should switch back to the pen tool here. Because there are some shadows here, which I would like to put in. And I think I am going to leave this as is for now. And I don't quite understand why these went outside. And I think I might do some highlights here because this is kind of important. And let's take care of this gutter here. I think I'm going to correct it later. Um, well, let's make it like so. Okay, I am kind of liking this here. Maybe I will look at some reference photo which I haven't prepared, to be honest. Let's grab this node tool with the end shortcut and let's move this here, and I think this ends. Let's grab some node here with the shift key. I think this could look like this. I think this is kind of realistic for a gutter. Okay. And here I think I messed up a bit, but it's not a problem. Yeah, I think I kind of like that. And I should turn this into this kind of node because I want a sharp angle here. Yeah. I think I'm liking this. So let's convert this. I'm going to hit the S key. Let's convert this to a set gli. Oh, sorry. I said this one. Set clip group. And this is the gutter. The rest should go into here. And the nice thing is that if I color this path, so let's say I'm going to grab shamelessly some color from here. This is going to see through, but let's say I think I might collect the highlights and the shadows here. So let's create this one is a highlight and this one is a highlight. So let's group them. And these are all shadows. And let's view them in a normal way. So let's hide this for a second. So this one is going to be like a dark gray. So D is the shortcut for the dropper tool. So let's grab this kind of middle gray. And let's grab, this one is a highlight. So let's make them a white color here. And what I would like to do is to define the opacity kind of eventually. Probably I'm going to be eventually, because not the same, but I would like to set the blend mode to screen. And these guys Let's have them a middle gray, and the shadows, let's make them multiply. And I'm not sure. I think I might set the opacity individually. So let's just decrease it here. So let's check up on this. Okay. This looks okay. Let's grab the N tool, and I think I am going to make this a bit closer. Okay. So this is the kind of detail I want to have on this roof here. And yeah, let's continue with the roof. Let's grab the Bezier tool or the pen tool, if you will. And I think I am going to simplify this shape very much. In this creation, I have no intention to use gradients or anything like that. I would like to make it quite a sharp image, so I have no intention to blur anything. And oh, wait, what I wonder, wouldn't it be better if I split this into two parts, because this one is quite bright and this one is darker. Maybe I should do that. So let's grab these two guys. Let's grab a break path and then break apart. Let's put this down here. Let's grab this guy, go for the end tool, and this time with a new segment join. This is what we want. And let's grab this guy and join with a new segment. Let's grab the D key and let's shamelessly pick some colors from the image, which is the nastiest thing one can do. And I think I am going to leave out this detail. Let's grab the Bezier tool again and let's create some nice shape for this other gutter here. And by the way, I think I managed to forget to add some darkness to this gutter as well, to the bottom. You know what, let's do it now, because before I am completely forget it. And I think this is my wait. Where is this path? Okay, so this is going to be a clip group again. And this one is going to be inside here. And I'm going to add later some highlights and shadows. Let's correct this guy here. I'm sorry that I'm jumping all over the place, but this is how I am creating things. So let's grab it like so. Let's see what's going on here. I think I better grab this mode as well. Okay, let's put this one here and let's grab the pen tool again and let's add some shadows here. And let's set this guy to be a clip group and let's put it here. And again, this guy shamelessly picks some colors here. This one is going to be some kind of gray. And then later I'm going to change it to multiply. So I think let's grab the pen tool again and let's add this shape here. I think I am going to move this one to the bottom. So everything will be on top of this. And let's make it a clip group. And let's move it down before I forget. And let's add these highlights here because these are quite significant and well, oh, okay, let's go for a bit detailed highlights here. Oh, sorry, this one. And let's add this highlight here. I don't know what the heck is this on top of this roof. Yeah, I think I'm going to simplify this highlight here. Okay, I think I kind of like this. Let's add these shadows, or I don't know what are these. Okay, and then I should add this brown thingy here. And this at the bottom. I'm going to correct these in a second, but for now I don't want to add more details here. Let's grab this guy. Let's align them. And now I'm going to turn on the snapping so that I can snap these nodes here. And you know what? Let's grab the pen tool again. And let's add. Okay, and then I set the shortcut to be the L key for the snapping because I'm using a Hungarian keyboard and this is kind of easier for me. And you know what, just for some extra detail, maybe this is kind of a too detailed thing. Let's add this here and let's add some darker tones here. Sorry, here, and then I'm going to just make it bigger. Okay. Okay, so let's grab the S key. Oh, it's already a clip group. That's nice. And I think I am going to add all of these to this clip group. Unfortunately, Inkscape has crashed at this point, and after that I was able to resurrect my file from the autosave directory, and then I decided that I'm going to finish the rest as a time-lapse video, since I am going to pretty much repeat all what I had done before. at this point, I finished the roof part. I hope you have enjoyed this video and perhaps learned something from it. And if you liked it, please like it and subscribe. And also you may comment in on this video if something wasn't clear. And there will be a continuation for this video because I decided that I'm going to finish off the rest as separate videos. And goodbye for now.